guys and welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. So nandito po kami ngayon sa gasoline station. Nandun po sila ba sila nagpapatank siya kasi pupunta kaming Opole and kukunin na namin yung kotse yung pina-repair niya. Actually itong kotse yung ginagamit namin is galing sa company, sa car company na binilhan niya. So nagpa-repair siya ng car and ano ba to? So meron silang swin-up but different, same model pero different in color. So that's it. Ayun siya guys. Yeah. So we're going to pick up the car and that's it. Pupunta rin kami ng Tesco or Tommy Mart to buy some grocery. And it's 6 degrees. Sorry. 6 degrees today in Opole. So, kaya ako nagsuot ng jacket kasi sobrang lamig. Feel ko sobrang lamig. Ito lang yung ganap namin today, guys. Kasi si Love, marami siyang free time today. Hindi siya full load sa lessons. I think meron lang siyang 3 to 4 lessons on Skype. So, this is good. Dun sa likod, yesterday dun kami nagpa-car wash dun. And sa likod na ito is Tesco. Yeah. So nandun na siya guys. Nagbabayad na sila. Wait, I'll show you. Nagbabayad siya guys. Andito yung gasoline station. Orlin yung tawag. Ito yung pinakamalapit na gas station dito sa namin sa Shastovice, Opole. Ito. And highway doon. And you will turn left and then yun na papunta sa amin, papunta sa bahay namin. I just wanna say thank you pala guys sa mga nag-subscribe, especially sa friends of Mariusz who subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and also sa friends ko, of course, sa mga friends ko sa Facebook na nag-subscribe din sa channel ko. Thank you so much guys. Very big help po talaga. And namomotivate po akong mag-vlog, mag-upload ng videos because of you guys. And nakakagana naman talaga if every time you check your YouTube studio, merong nadadagdag na subscriber. It's an overwhelming. So, thank you so much for that guys. And sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, bikini men, pa-subscribe. Okay. May mask din po ako May mask pala ako guys. So I will show you my mask. Ito siya. We bought this from online. So this cost 200 zloty which is mahal siya guys kasi nung bumili kami is parang limited, parang na siya, parang limited na. So medyo mahal siya. So 200 zloty. Pero may filters na siya guys. So we received 20 filters. So no need for washing. Hindi namin lalabhan tong filters na to. All we will do is ihang lang namin. Tapos para makasagap ng hangin, ihang lang namin siya. Tapos itong mask naman is washable. Parang isang beses ko nang linabhan to. Palabas na siya ng papunta na siya dito. See you later. Did you buy, my love?
Just juice.
What is this? I can't read because it's
Juice, Dr. Owoc.
Dr. Owoc.
Saga.
Dr. Owoc juice, guys. 21% off. 21% of what, my love?
Of juice. Wait.
21% of juice.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen.
So you will just put the USB, my love. Uy!
Yeah, put the USB.
Wait, let's smell.
And this is 630. This is something like a new version of this one, yeah?
new version of your car?
Yeah, because the CX-3 is a hit. They sold many copies, but people sometimes complain with this. But
Hold.
yeah. Okay, can we go?
Let's go.
Let's go. Can we don't go to the right? This taxi is coming.
So, nandito na kami sa bahay, guys. Kakauwi lang namin. Open niya yung ano. Love, I will just go down. Ah? Lava. I will go here. So, ayun guys. Pasok na ako sa bahay. 8:37 and... Ha? Ah, yun na yung car niya guys. Na-repair na siya. Cool car. Pasok na ako kasi aayusin niya pa yung garage. Pasok na dito sa bahay. Ay. Oh, it's locked. Hintay natin si Love kasi nandun sa kanyang susi. So, na makakapasok. Kaloka. Lock ba talaga siya? Yeah, it's locked. Sabihin ko sa kanya. Ganda ng panahon ngayon. Kanina 6 degrees, ngayon 12 degrees. Tapos mamaya ulit, ano ulit siya. Ano ba yan? Hinihingal ako. Nasaan na ba to si Love? Mamaya ano siya? What is this? Love, it's locked. The door is locked.
Because you locked it.
Because you have the keys.
Huh?
You open it. I am filming.
You cannot open it.
I cannot open because I don't have it. How can I open
Oh,
it?
really? How come? Oh, you can't let her pet can also pet her sometimes.
No, she's jealous again because she wants to this.
She wants to drive the car. No, no.
She wants to drive the car.
But you have no. You have.
No license mo lang. Go. What is the flavor of the juice?
Dragon fruit, cherry, and blueberries.
Dragon fruit, cherry, and blueberries. Dzień dobry. Akit na kami ng kwarto. Dito na kami sa bahay.
No, push it.
Mom is not yet awake, I think.
Ah, she's.
Aha. Akit na kami ng kwarto, guys. Maybe she's in Dad's room. Ayan guys, tapos na rin kaming mag-lunch and nagluto ako ng pork steak and for Love, I made him tom yum kasi yun yung favorite niya. So ngayon nandito ako sa room, as you can see. And I just locked the door kasi may lesson si Love and he has lessons sa Skype, so bawal ko siyang istorbohin and of course kasi but I made him his favorite coffee, cappuccino. So before I go here, make sure ko na ginawan ko muna siya ng coffee, ganon. Siyempre, wife's duty. So ayan. And after 45 minutes, he will finish his lesson again and will proceed again. Kasi dito, it's 3 o'clock p.m. And magpo-proceed ulit yung lesson niya at 6 p.m. Yung kapitbahay namin. Yung last vlog ko, pinakita ko yung bahay nila. So, that's it. And ako naman, ganap ko is I will just edit kasi may i-edit akong video for tomorrow. Kasi, as you can notice, guys, everyday na po akong nag-upload because I am very well motivated po na dahil po sa inyo, sa mga nagsusubscribe po sa channel ko, I am very motivated na po to upload everyday. So, ayun guys. So, thank you so much po. Nandito na ako sa room. Guys, lalabas sana ako kasi gusto ko sanang maglakad-lakad pero umulan kanina. So, hindi muna ako lalabas. Maybe tomorrow kasi tomorrow Saturday, today is Friday. Mag-ano kami bukas guys, mag-grill. So, mamaya mamarinate ako ng pork chop. Kasi last Saturday, parang naugali na kasi namin. Last Saturday kasi, chicken. So, pang third time na to na magi-grilled kami together with dad. Tapos si ma'am rin bukas, meron lang din siyang pork. So, that's it. It will be fun again. Okay, so guys, I will end this vlog and thank you for watching and thank you po talaga sa mga nag-subscribe. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!